ṣé dáadáa mo bá yín mo ṣe fídíò yìí torí Iyabo Ojo.
Nollywood actress Lola has once again come forward to publicly support her colleague, Ojo, testifying to her kindness and generosity. In a video shared online, Lola described Iyabo as a kind-hearted woman and a cheerful giver, someone who often sets aside her own problems to fight for others. She expressed deep concern over the relentless online attacks and false accusations currently being directed at Ojo. This comes in the wake of a disturbing incident last week, where some men were seen on the streets of Lagos chanting, "It no go better for Ojo," in connection to the controversy surrounding the late singer Mohbad.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, ṣé dáadáa mo bá yín mo ṣe fídíò yìí torí Iyabo Ojo. Iyabo is a very good person. Iyabo is a kind-hearted person. Iyabo is a cheerful giver. Iyabo máa fi ọ̀rọ̀ tiẹ̀ sílẹ̀ agbẹ́tẹ̀ni ẹlẹ́ni sórí. Abiyamọ gidi ni. Òní wọ́n wá drag orúkọ, wọ́n á rubbish, wọ́n á parọ́ mọ́. But all I know is that àfi tí ò bá sí Ọlọ́run nìkan lókun. Àfi tí Ọlọ́run ò bá ní ká máa ṣòdodo lókun. Àfi tí Ọlọ́run ò bá ní ká máa ṣe dáadáa nìkan lókun. Tó lọ jẹ́ pé dáadáa lọ́lọ́run ní ká máa ṣe. Tí Iyabo dẹ̀ ṣe dáadáa tí ẹ̀yin ayé tẹ̀dẹ̀ yí fún. Iyabo ló máa borí o. Èmi mọ̀ yẹn náà. Because gbogbo ore tí Iyabo ti ṣe ni wọ́n sọ di bí fún. Ó máa ṣe hàn. Iyabo wàá borí àwọn ọ̀tẹ̀. Ìwọ ló máa borí torí onínú rere ni ẹ́. Iyabo máa dúró tìyàn ni. Mo rántí ọ̀rọ̀ nínú gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà ló dùn mí jù. Ó dùn mí because jẹ́jẹ́ ni Iyabo wà lé ẹ̀ lọ́jọ́ yẹn. Torí bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà ti pè mí tẹ́lẹ̀. He had called me before and told me that he was going to come to Canada, and I said no problem. Then later I heard that he was arrested. And I said, I didn't know what to do. I called Iyabo. Iyabo was in our house. I called her and I told her that she should please try and help me, that they've arrested them. That somebody called me and said, Baba Jesha has been arrested. Iyabo now said she was going to call her lawyer. Mo wá sọ fún Iyabo pé mo ti pe lawyer mi. Please ask Baba Ijesha that while he was in this police cell, who sent a lawyer there to bail him? I did. Èmi àti Iyabo. Lájọ̀rọ̀ lawyer lọ pé kó lọ bail Ijesha lọ́jọ́ yẹn lọ. Ẹ béèrè lọ́wọ́ Ijesha. Ijesha òkè ó wà láyé o, kò sí nǹkan tó ṣe, ó dẹ̀ máa bọ́ bí tó wà yẹn. Ẹ béèrè. Èmi àti Iyabo la rán lọ́yà lọ. Ìgbà tí lọ́yà dé, lọ́yà wá sọ pé wọ́n lè béèlè pé ó ní ṣe pẹ̀lú rape. Ipò assault ọmọdé. Ibi tí gbogbo ẹ̀ ti rí wọ́n ni o. Iyabo dẹ̀ ni kò gbọ́rọ̀ ọmọ sótì, kò gbọ́rọ̀ ọmọdé, kò gbọ́ pé wọ́n fi ìyà jẹyàn. Bóyá ká ní mo ti mọ̀ lọ́jọ́ yẹn bá má ti pè sọ̀rọ̀ tí bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà. Mistake tí mo ṣe ni Ọlọ́run dẹ̀ rí inú mi pé oore la fẹ́ ṣe. Òun ni wọ́n ń lo against ẹ̀lẹ́ ni kó tó wá di yànkùnyàn rẹ̀. Ilé ayé ìṣá. Iyabo màmá Mohbad o, wọ́n ti gbà tó lọ London. Wọn ò kì í sọ̀rọ̀ o. Ìgbà tó lọ London ni Mohbad rí o, tí Mohbad bá sọ̀rọ̀. Ìpè wọ́n búlì o. Òun ló fi lọ gbọ́ rẹ̀ sórí nígbà tó gbọ́ pokú. Kì í ṣe pé bóyá wọ́n relate, kì í ṣe pé wọ́n ní ìkọ̀kọ̀ papọ̀. Oore. Bó èmi mọ̀ olóore òkè Jésù tí kò tó. Àfi tí ò bá sí Ọlọ́run nìkan ló kù. Mo ké nítorí pé kìíní o, because mo mọ̀ wípé ọmọ ológo nǹkan tójú wọn máa rí nìyẹn. Èmi gbọ́n tí mo wà nílùú òyìnbó. Mo wọ̀ sí tí mo ti rí. Màá pè Iyabo, màá ní Iyabo, ilẹ̀ aníláyé àǹtí mi Ọlọ́run rán yín iṣẹ́ ni ẹ parí iṣẹ́ tọ́lọ́run rán yín. Iyabo máa dúró tìyàn gan. Iyabo will stand by you. Iyabo will support you. Iyabo will do everything to make you happy. Iyabo doesn't like to see people suffer or cry. Iyabo will give what she doesn't even have to other people. Iyabo wants everybody to be okay. I wonder why she's going through, why they are dragging her name like this. Iyabo, I stand by you. I'm here for you because I know you're a good person. Ẹ wo ọjọ́ yẹn tí kan lady kan jáde tó ní ó gbọ́mọ lọ́wọ́ ó ṣe gbá. Mo sọ fáwọn èèyàn mo ní Iyabo tèmi mọ̀ ní Iyabo ò mọ̀ rí. Nígbà tí mo máa pè Iyabo àti mi rí bí mọ̀ rí. Ẹ̀dẹ̀ ń ba orúkọ èèyàn jẹ́, ẹ̀dẹ̀ bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run. Ẹ wo Tanzania ta lọ. Look at the Tanzania we went to. I was in my hotel room when Iyabo just sent me a message. Hotel fully paid. I was like, how? I know you're spending money. I didn't come here to come and collect money from you. I've paid for my hotel. I had to go downstairs and tell the receptionist. They asked them why do they collect double money. I told them to refund her money. That's the kind of person she is. She doesn't care. Even when it's not convenient, she wants you to be happy. She wants everybody to be happy. I don't know why she has to go through all this. Anyways, because she's a great person. Omologo nkan tó ju wọ́n máa rí lélẹ̀. Iyabo. And I'm saying it. People that, you know, it's not everybody that knows you very well. I do. Mumwe dada. You are a good person. You are a kind-hearted person. You are a lovable person. You are a cheerful giver. For that singular reason. You remember, for that reason, you were conquered. Ìwọ ló máa borí gbogbo ogun yìí. Iyabo, ó rántí ni. When Festus came home, Festus was in his final year. He came home and they refused to give him back. They didn't allow him to go back to America. They didn't renew his visa, his student visa. You called me and you were crying that Auntie Lola, me that used to help other people's children. I pay other people's children's school fees. I help a lot of people. Why is God doing this to me? I told you on that day that is for a reason. You said no. And you were crying. I told you no. Most of my pain, no. Ọmọlógo ọmọlóore ò kí ń jì sí kòtò. Ó lè máa tọ́jú àwọn ọmọ èèyàn kó máa ṣoore fáwọn ọmọ èèyàn kó lọ́ọ́ máa wá wo títí ẹ pé kó jìyà. Kò pẹ́ ní COVID dé. Mi fi ya wọn tó kú l'Amẹ́ríkà. A lot of students, a lot of people kú. Bọ́ Ọlọ́run bá mi gbé Festus kúrò torí oore tó ń ṣe. Festus yẹn kọ́ ló ti graduate nísìn. Torí oore tó ń ṣe náà ni gbogbo nǹkan tó ń rí. Iyabo wọn fún ẹ lórúkọ kórúkọ ni o. Sórí gbogbo ibi tí wọ́n bá tún wọ́n ṣe báyìí Ọlọ́run Ẹlẹ́dàá tó mọ̀ pé onínú rere ni á bá mi sọ á sọ ibi yẹn á sọ di ògo fún ẹ lágbára Ọlọ́run ìwọ ló máa borí gbogbo wọn gbogbo ibi ìwọ ló máa borí ẹ lágbára Ọlọ́run because èèyàn dáadáa ni ẹ you are a good person you are a kind-hearted person you are a cheerful giver. Iyabo, I'm here for you because you are a good person. And I'm telling you, those of you that doesn't know Iyabo is a good person. And I'll boldly say it. Iyabo is a good person. It's just that most people, you know, when you do good to them, they pay you back with evil. But it's fine. But I know God is there that will judge individually accordingly. Iyabo is a very good person. You will conquer. You will win. It is a face that will fade off. Iyabo, you're a good person and I love you. And I'm still saying it, please, anybody that sees Ijesha, ask Ijesha why he was in the police station. Who was the first person that sent a lawyer to him to bail him? Ask him. He will tell you it's Lola Alao. That's the kind of person we are. But it is well. Thank you.
Responding via Instagram, Ojo clarified that she never accused anyone of being responsible for Mohbad's death. She revealed how she has been the target of sustained harassment over the years, including threats to her life, public violence against her and her children, and efforts to destroy her source of income, or without any intervention from authorities. She also disclosed that just days before her daughter's wedding in Tanzania, she received a threatening letter at her office. Lola's recent remarks aren't the first time she's spoken glowingly about Ojo. 2 years ago, the actress shared how Ojo visited her in Canada and helped promote her clothing business. Thanks to Ojo's influence, Lola received daily orders from around the world. She praised Ojo as a blessed child and expressed deep gratitude for the boost in her sales. Ojo has also received praise from others in the industry. Actress Ashabi Olorisha commended Ojo's good heart, praying that it continues to bring blessings to her and future generations. Similarly, actress Bimbo's success revealed that Iyabo reached out after hearing about her twins' struggle with a severe cough. In a heartfelt note, Bimbo expressed her appreciation and mentioned that Iyabo felt hurt for not being informed earlier.
You're watching GboahTv. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.